Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 6 Nouns Possession. Let's get started. Circle the words which show that something belongs to someone. This is Tanmai's globe. This is Sheba's poster. Sheba's. These are Tina's binoculars. Tina's. What is possessive nouns? Possessive nouns is a noun that shows the ownership of or belongings are called possessive nouns. Means a thing belongs to someone. Okay. We use apostrophe after noun to show the belongings. If it is a singular, we use apostrophe after the noun. If it is plural, we use apostrophe after the words s. Okay. See, some rules are there. For singular noun not ending in s, we put an apostrophe after the word. Okay. If it is singular ending with s letter, we put apostrophe after the word. Okay. For plural nouns ending in s, we use only the apostrophe after the word. Okay. Dogs after. The plural nouns not ending in s, we put an apostrophe after the word. Children's. Understood? Next. Rewrite the sentences using the apostrophe or apostrophe s after the nouns. One has been given, the table that belongs to the carpenter, the carpenter's table. In the same way you have to do. The books that belong to Radha. Radha's books. The car that belongs to Rini. Rini's car. The pens that belongs to the teacher. The teacher's pens. The umbrella that belongs to Mr. Das. Mr. Das umbrella. Okay. So after s, you have to just put an apostrophe. Don't write das. Okay. The hats that belongs to the people. People's hats. People hats. The mug that belongs to my brother. My brother's mug. The cushion that belongs to my grandmother. My grandmother's cushion. Understood? Next, put apostrophes in the correct place and rewrite the phrases. The duck's feet. The duck's feet. After K, you have to put apostrophe. Car's headlights. After R, you have to put apostrophe. Car's headlights. Girls' dresses. After S, you have to put apostrophe. Birds' nests. After S, you have to put apostrophe. The hunter's weapon. After R, you have to put apostrophe. Weapon. The baker's bread. After R, you have to put apostrophe. Students' seats. After S, you have to put apostrophe. Children's books. After N, you have to put apostrophe. Understood? Next. Rewrite the sentences with apostrophe S or apostrophe correctly. One has been given. These shirts belongs to the boy. These are the boy's shirts. The hammer belongs to the carpenter. This is the carpenter's hammer. After R, you have to put apostrophe S. The diamond ring belongs to the prince. It is the prince's diamond. So after E, you have to put apostrophe S. This hat belongs to the wizard. This is the wizard's hat. After D, you have to put apostrophe S. This park is for children. This is a children's park. After N, you have to put apostrophe S. This house belongs to her niece. This is her niece's house. After E, you have to put apostrophe S. The garden belongs to my neighbor. This is my neighbor's garden. After R you have to put apostrophe S. This factory is owned by Mr. Singh. This is Mr. Singh's factory. So after H you have to put apostrophe S. Understood? This is about nouns possession. Tomorrow we will start the course book. Okay? Thank you.